आज ही आमार चिरांग डिस्ट्रिक्ट होते एसटी सिडली एलएसी क्षेत्रत आमी ड्राफ्ट इलेक्टोरल रोल आमी आज पब्लिश करिसु. सो टोटल आवर voters are 2,10,884 and there is an increase of new voters of around 3,320 voters, which includes 1,483 male voters and also 1,837 female voters. There are around 697 service voters in the district. Thank you.
Sir, Barisi Kiman.
There is an increase of 3,320 voters in the district, which includes 1,483 male voters and 1,837 female voters. Our total voters as on date is 2,10,884. Thank you.
So I request all the media persons and also the political party representatives.
Female in 2022 from 1st May 5 May 104,087 and increases to 1,05,924. Third gender remains same 3 and 3. Total voters which was on 5th of May 2,07,564 and now increases to 2,10,884. So number of increase, male 1,483, female 1,837, third gender no, nil, and total increase compared to the final publication is 3,320. Total number of polling station in the district is 269 and total service voters is 697.
ठीक है, उसको भी सर्कुलेट कर दो.
यस सर. सर डिस्प्ले कर दो.
ठीक.
दूसरा पॉलिटिकल पार्टी
media local আছে
इतना नहीं सर.
আমার application 20
নাই স্যার এনে ব্রিজ কৰিব কাৰণে ড্ৰাফট